I recently came across a video on Instagram by the Conscious Plant Kitchen. They were making these simple avocado biscuits with just a few ingredients, and as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to try it for myself. Now, in the US, they call them biscuits, but here in the UK, we'd call them scones. There are quite a few cultural differences around the name. Biscuits in America are more like soft, flaky bread rolls, while here, biscuits are crunchy and for dunking in tea. Scones have a long history in the UK, originally from Scotland, and now they're a familiar part of British afternoon tea. I've got a bit of a soft spot for them myself. When I worked as a chef years ago at a vegan restaurant, afternoon tea was one of our top sellers. In fact, it was actually my ability to make a proper scone that got me the job. I went on to make hundreds while I was there, and it kind of became second nature after a while. So for this recipe, mix together half a cup of mashed avocado, which is pretty much equivalent to one large avocado, half a cup of dairy-free yogurt, I use soy yogurt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cups of self-raising flour, and an optional pinch of salt if you like. Just mix everything together until it forms a dough. When mixing with your hands, coat your hands with some oil to prevent the dough from sticking too much. One thing I've learned from making scones over the years is not to overwork the dough. The less you handle it, the softer and lighter the scones will be. Just bring it together gently, shape it, and that's it. I shaped mine with a large round cutter and managed to get 6 scones out of it, but you can definitely play around with the sizes or even do freeform. After the first round of cutting, gather any leftover dough, gently reform it into a ball, roll it out and cut more rounds. I placed them on a lined and lightly oiled baking tray and baked them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes until they turned a light golden color. The scones turned out really great. They have a lovely soft texture on the inside and a subtle richness from the avocado, really nice warm with a bit of vegan butter or even vegan cheese melted on top. There are just so many ways you can enjoy it. Let me know in the comments how you would eat yours. The scones can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days or frozen for up to a month. It's always nice to revisit something familiar in a new way. These scones are a simple, nourishing twist on a classic, and I think they'd be lovely as part of a weekend breakfast or brunch, or even a quiet afternoon tea. I'll leave a link to the original recipe below so you can check out the Conscious Plant Kitchen as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!